Hey, this is Jim at Broadfield at the InfoComm 2026 show in the Broadfield Partner Pavilion N7427, showing off our brand new Canon products, including their newest PTZ camera, the CRN-350, their IP1000 controller, and the C50 cinema camera with interchangeable lenses. Broadfield Distributing is your source for all these Canon products. The CRN-350 and CRN-400s are the newest in their expanded PTZ camera lineup, giving you some of the greatest capabilities for auto tracking, auto framing, and color balance across the entire Canon product line. One of the things I love most is that Canon allows you to create the workflow where you could color match the PTZ cameras and their traditional cameras all together in the same production workflow. For more information, reach out to your Broadfield sales team at 800-634-5178.